Jamey Caldwell, 1 minute out. I want to talk to you about some drills that you can do under nods and night vision drills, right? The first thing off is any drills that you do during the day, you can do them at night under nods, and I suggest that you practice that, right? Now, when you want to talk about anything specific, if you are one of the guys out there that owns PVS 14, then one of the things I definitely recommend is do some different drills where you're shooting with your PVS 14 over your dominant eye and your non-dominant eye, both rifle, pistol, whatever it may be, gun light, shooting a red dot. Just see what works best for you to see how you want to wear that 14. For those out there with a dual tube setup or panos, all right, anything that you do at night or during the day, you can do at night. All right, so for this drill that we're gonna do here and I'm gonna show you is kind of a magazine change drill. The reason I like to do this is specifically at night. You know, it's a great drill during the day, but at night we need to understand where our kit is, because we're not necessarily gonna be looking down at anything. We may not have the illumination to be able to see that. So we either need to glance underneath our nods, all right? So make sure we're not wearing the eye cups. We wanna glance underneath our nods if we need to look to grab something, but with enough training, we should know where our magazines are, all right? And then as we go through the mag change, when we need to take a peek at that mag well, we can just look underneath our nods, make sure the magazine's going in, drive it home, push the pistol back out. There's a bunch of different variations that we can do with this. Do everything from certain loads that we do a slide lock reload, do just your speed reload, just have fun with it, but make sure if you're gonna do things under nods, get out there at night and train. So let's go ahead and run through this drill, magazine change drill, 3 targets, 2 rounds, each target with magazine changes between targets. There you have it, pretty simple, a similar drill that I would run during the day, but now I get to do it under nods, utilizing my acro red dot with the night vision settings from Aimpoint, my Walther PDP, and my nods to be able to engage multiple targets, and I threw in some mag changes in between each target. Slide lock reload, and then just a speed reload. So get out there at night, under nods, have fun, be creative, but get out there and train.